Alright, don't rush. You got plenty of time to get in the ring.
I wanted to watch this back workout with Chili Jones.
No, I think she's going in. It's nice that he's riding earlier in the day because they haven't got cross country running past him. Because it goes through the trees over there.
Oh, really?
Yep. Oops, that was a little wonky. That was a better turn. Oopsie. Slipped. Good. Look for your center line there, honey. Look for the center line. Good. Ooh. Yeah, we got him all pimped out.
And rider 20 is clear at jump 14.
No, he doesn't. He looks like a pony only because I'm not riding him. Honey, picture lead, please. Whatever.
Now on cross country, rider number 23, Molly Cheney, riding rock and roll, clear at fence 1. We have rider 21, clear at fence 11.
It's like these are little.
We have rider 22, clear at fence 9.
Good. Kick on. Keep going forward. I told him not to
Rider
look down at that
21
jump.
had a run out at fence 12, but is clear on her second effort.
Why doesn't he have a car?
He didn't want it. Not my problem. He didn't want it.
He's not going to eliminate it.
I know.
Yay! Woo!
I am not responsible for him not wanting a whip.
Rider 23 is clear at fences 5 and 6.
Yay!
Rider 22 is clear at... Now on course, number 29. Rider 29.
Yes. Ah, he's like, I'm stepping over these. Listen to him, he's like, I can't breathe. Excellent. Good, that's the way we want to see it done. I think something is biting my wrist and it hurts.